Yes, my dear. This is the problem here. Yesterday I gave this one. I don't know how many of you tried. 250 problem, my dear. A box contains n coins. I think all of you read the question. No need to explain again. A box contains n coins, m of which are paid, and the rest are biased. 250, my dear. A box contains total. How many coins are there? Total n coins are there. N coins. Among them, m are fair one. M are what is fair coins, and n minus m is definitely biased. They are biased coins. A box contains n coins, m of which are fair, and the rest are biased. Because total number of coins is n, my dear. Number of biased coins is definitely n minus m. The probability of getting head on a fair coin toss is 1 by 2. No need to give that one actually, my dear. The probability of getting head in a fair coin toss is 1 by 2. While probability of getting head in a biased coin is, what is it, by 2 by 3. It is that is also writing. What is given is probability of getting head on a fair coin. Yes, my dear. Fair coin is given how much, my dear? 1 by 2. It's obviously, even if they won't give, that is answer, that. Next, my dear, probability of getting head on a biased coin. Yes, my dear, it is given 2 by 3, my dear. Probability of getting head. Yes. A coin is drawn from the box at random and is tossed twice. From this, my dear, one coin is taken, my dear. Then it is tossed for how many times, my dear? 2 times. Tossed 2 times. The first time it is shows head and second time is shows tail. Yes, my dear. The outcomes is head and tail, my dear. Yes, my dear. Then what is the probability that the coin drawn is fair? What is the probability that the coin drawn is fair, my dear? This is also old ITC problem. Okay. My dear, I think you understood what how to do here. Yes. My dear, actually here, what is the thing is what, my dear? I think almost everything you understood, my dear. What is A1, A2? What are mutual exclusives? What is A? You have to decide, my dear. No doubt in that.
Mic.
Yes. Any problem, my dear? Okay. Okay. But actually thing is what, my dear, one coin is drawn. Yes, madam, we randomly selecting one coin. I think problem is, yes, madam, what is the probability that it's a fair coin? Just I'm closing. Okay. Yes. One coin is drawn, my dear. That is actually random experiment. One coin is drawn. That coin can be biased or fair one. That is A1 and A2 mutually exclusive. Because you're drawing only one card out of the box, my dear, that coin can be, you can get what you call, my dear, fair coin or biased. Then whatever the coin, my dear, then we after that we toss it 2 times, and we came to know that, my dear, what is happened here. First throw is head, second throw is what, my dear, tail. That is already given. Yeah. A coin is drawn from the first block and is tossed 2 times. The first time shows the head and the second time shows the tail. First time is head, that is A, my dear. After tossing the coin 2 times, my dear, getting head and the first trial, that is event A. That is associated A1 and A2. Okay, so I'm writing that one, my dear. Let A1 be the event of drawing a fair coin. And what is the A2, my dear? A2 be the event of drawing a biased coin. A biased coin, my dear. What is A, my dear? A be the event of getting head in first throw. getting head in first throw and tail in the second throw. Tail in the second throw. Yes, my dear, this is the thing. Yes, my dear. Now what you have to find out, my dear? You have to find out probability of A1 given A. My dear, not the probability of A given A1. Please, you should know the difference, all of them. Again, I'm repeating, my dear, here in all the cases. Yes, my dear, what is probability of A1 given A, my dear? Probability of occurrence of A1. I'm talking about series. Probability of occurrence of A1 given A. Probability of occurrence of A1 given A. Occurrence of A1. A1 means what, my dear? Drawing the paid coin, given that A is happened. What is A? Getting hit in the first throw, getting tail in the second throw. This is the thing you're asking about. We're going to know that in the two tosses. First one is head, second one is tail. Yeah. Second one is what is that, my dear? Tail. Then they're asking what is that, my dear? What is the probability? The tossed coin is a paid coin. This is the thing you find out. What is the meaning of probability of A given A1 here? Probability of getting head in the first throw, getting tail in the second throw, given that fair coin is drawn. Given that the drawn coin is a fair coin. Understood, madam? You got the difference, I think. Yes, madam, if this is the case, probability of A2 given A. What is the meaning of that is? Probability of drawing A, probability of drawing A, what you call, madam, biased coin, given that yes, madam, probability of A2 given A. Probability of A2 means what, my dear? Drawing a biased coin. Probability of getting biased coin, given that in the draws, first one is head, second one is tail. I think you understood, but no need to explain much on this. Finally, you have to find out probability of A given A. Yes, my dear. Okay. Yes, my dears. I'm going to that. Required probability is probability of A1 given A. Yes. Now, my dear, required probability. Probability is equal to probability of A1 given A. Probability of A1 given A. By base theorem, this is probability of A1 into probability of A given A1 whole divided by, yes, probability of A1, probability of A1 into probability of A given A1 plus probability of A2 into probability of A given A2. Probability of A1. A1 is what, my dear? A1 with the event of drawing a fair coin. Yes, my dear. Anybody? What is the probability of drawing a fair coin from this bag, my dear? How many fair coins are there? M. Among the M fair coins, any one coin is our favorable event. So numerator is M divided by N, because total number of coins is 100, because N of S denominator is what number of ways of drawing one card among them without any restriction. So NC1. Probability of A1 is M by N. Probability of A given A1. Probability of happening of event A. What is event A? Getting head in the first throw. Getting head in the first throw, getting tail in the second throw. When A1 is paid coin, my dear. Yes, so yes, what is the probability of getting in paid coin? 1 by 2. Probability of getting tail is 1 by 2, my dear. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Probability of A given is 1 by 4. Otherwise, I'm writing, my dear. I'm writing detailing, my dear. Probability of getting head in first, getting head in first, and tail. Better, I'll do it separately here. Why should I write here? Better, so that you can, somebody has confusion, you can. I'm writing here, better probability of A given A1. That is what probability of getting head in first throw, tail in second throw, with A1. A1 is a fair coin. row with paid coin. This problem getting what is that material head here? That is what material 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4. Yes, similarly, I am writing probability of A given A2 also material. Probability given A given A2 is what? Probability of getting head in first row, is tail in the second row, with a biased coin, my dear. Given A2 is biased coin, my dear. A2 is biased coin. Yes, my dear, here problem getting head in the first will tail. Getting head is what my dear, biased coin already given. Problem getting the head and the biased coin is what my 2 by 3. What is problem getting tail in the biased coin, my dear? 1 by 3. No need to explain. Because product getting head, getting tail is 1, my dear. Product getting tail is 1 minus 2 by 2, that is 1 by 3. That is coming out 2 by 9. As I substitute the values here. Okay. Okay, my dear. Now I'm starting substituting probability of A1. A1 is what, my dear? M by capital N. Probability of A given A1. How much, my dear? 1 by 4. Whole divided by probability of A1, same thing. M by capital N. Probability given A1 is 1 by 4 plus probability of A2. A2 means probability of getting a biased coin when coin is drawn. What is that, my dear? Variable events is n minus m bias coins by divided by total number of coins n into probability of A given A2, that is 2 by 9. Simplify, my dear. That is the final answer. I think all of you understood, my dear. Yes. Okay. Write down the answer very quick. That is m by 4n is equal to 4n by 4 and 9, 36n. This is what LCM is 36n. 36n divided by 9m plus 8 into capital N minus m. This n cancel, but this goes for 9 times. Therefore, 9m divided by small m plus 8n. That's all that is answer. Okay, that's fine. I think you understood, my dear. Get on, my dear. Quick. Next, we'll go to the next problem. Okay. Okay, minutes. Now I'm going to the next problem. My dear, please, don't disturb here. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to the next problem. Yes. Yes. This is the next problem here. Sum number 251. A bag contains 10 apples, of which 4 are rotten. 2 apples are drawn at random. One of them is found to be good. What is the probability that other one is good? Yes, my dear. Sum number 251. Write down the problem, my dear. All of you, write the problem. 251. All of you write 251 problem, my dear. A bag contains 10 apples, of which 4 are rotten. Two apples are drawn at random from one of them found to be good. What is the probability other one is also good, my dear? A bag contains 251, my dear. Total number of apples, 10 apples, my dear. Total 10. Among them, my dear, 4 are rotten and rest are good, my dear. And that means 6 are good apples, my dear. 6 good apples. And rest 4 are what is the, my dear, rotten. 4 apples are spoiled, my dear. And 6 are in good, they're good. 2 apples are drawn at random. 2 apples are drawn at random. And one of them is found to be good. What is the probability that other one is also good? Yes, my dear. Yes, my dear. Here actually problem is looks easy, my dear. Yes, you have to understand base theorem, my dear. Here, yes, all other problems, my dear, whatever the problems you've done, there it is very clear what is A1, A2, A3, and what is A. They are so clear, my dear. Here also not a big problem, my dear. Some people get confused. 2 apples are drawn at random and one of them is found to be good. What is A is one of them found to be good, that is A, that is clear. 2 apples are drawn at random and one of them found to be good. One of them found to be good. That is what meant A. I can say, my dear, directly writing, let A be the event of getting one good apple in the draw of 2. In the draw of 2 apples. In the draw of 2 apples. Okay. You understood, my dear. What is A1, A2? My dear, you are drawing 2 apples, my dear. What is the probability that other one is also good? What is asking, my dear? What is the probability other apple is also good? This is the probability. What is the probability that other apple is also good? Yes, my dear. Anybody, can you try to share what is A1, A2, A3 here? My dear, all of you wrote the problem. I'm closing this. Yes. Yes, my dear. Anybody? What is A1, A2, A3? You can speak, my dear.
Sir, A1 is first drawn apple, sir.
Yeah.
A2 is second drawn apple.
But don't forget, my dear, you are drawing two apples at a time. You are drawing 2 apples at a time. 2 apples are drawn at a time, my dear. What is that is? Yes, Mr. Anybody, Pawan? Pawan, you cannot separate because, my dear, 2 apples are drawing, my dear. So it is not like yes. Actually, when you are drawing 2 apples, what will happen here? There may be 3 things will happen. Both the apples may be good. Both the apples are rotten, or one apple is good, one apple is rotten. These are the 3 things that will happen, my dear. When you're drawing 2 apples, my dear, because in that basket, 6 are good apples and 4 are what are the rotten ones, rotten spoiled ones. So when you're drawing the 2 apples, my dear, use your common sense here. What will happen is both can be good, both can be rotten, both can be what is that, my dear? One is good, other one is this. That is A1, A2, A3. Yes, my dear. Let A1 be the event of drawing both good apples. That is A1. A1 be the event of drawing both good apples, my dear. Next, what is A2 here? What is let A2? A2 be the event of drawing both rotten apples. Both are what are they, my dear? Spoiled apples or rotten apples, my dear. Rotten apples. That is A2. This is the. And what is A3? A3 will be there also, my dear. A3 be the event of, yes, my dear, one good and other rotten one. That is, these are the three possible. They are mutually exclusive. They are what are they, my dear? Mutually exclusive. Clear, understood, my dear? Both may be yes. Okay, my dears. Now, actually, what is the question is find the probability the other apple is also good. That means what you have to find out, and at least answer this question here. What you have to find out? Find the probability that other apple is also good. What is found, my dear? What is A? A with event of getting one good apple in the draw of two apples. What is the event already? What is given? Among the two apples, one is a good apple. But let's see the question. Two apples are drawn at random and one of them found to be good and one of them found to be good. What is the probability that the other one is also good? That means what, my dear, you have to find out what is that, my dear? Probability of A1 given A. Probability of getting, already we know that what is given, one apple is good, my dear. The other one is good, my dear. Suppose if I give for three, both are, one is good, other one is rotten. Second one is both are rotten. First one is both are good. That means you are looking for probability of A1 given A. Probability that so drawn both the apples are good, given that one of them is good. This is the thing you have to find out. If I go for this one, probability of A2 given A. What is the meaning of this here? Probability of getting second one is rotated because A2, okay. It never happens that probability of A2 given A never happens. Because my dear, both are rotated, my dear. This is zero only. Why? Because given A, one of them is what you call, my dear, already good. But what is when both are rotated? Never possible. That is zero. What is probability of A3 given A, my dear? A3 given A. Probability of one of them is good, one is good, other yes, it happens. One of them is good, yes, it can happen. Okay. So finally, what you understood, my dear, you have to find out probability of A1 given A. But if any problem in these things, my dear, we can discuss, my dear. Please discuss, yeah. If you won't discuss, you won't understand. If you have doubts, my dear, please open up, my dear. If you say something wrong, okay, now class is the exam. If somebody has anything, tell me. Huh?
సార్ అంటే అక్కడ ముందు అంటే బిఫోర్ సమ్స్ లోని ఒక బ్యాగ్ లో 2 balls ఇస్తే ఏ1 ఇస్ ఫస్ట్ డ్రాన్ బాల్ ఏంటి సెకండ్ బాల్ అలా తీసుకున్నాం కదా సార్.
Depending on the problem where what is they are asking. Depending on the context, my dear. Maybe no, sir. Then we got the doubt, my dear. Go back to that question, my dear. Then immediately think about that. My dear, if you have light idea, am I right? You get confused. The problem, go back and check, my dear. If it is contradict, come and discuss. Do you remember exact a problem? Evana ఖచ్చితంగా గుర్తుందా నీకు ఏమన్నా?
లేదు సార్ కరెక్ట్.
Okay, better. No, don't worry. Now, are you okay with this one now?
Yes, sir.
Now, just evening, go back and check the problem. You got some idea, na? Compare, you have discussed, then if you have any doubt, call me back. What is it? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, my dear. Clearly understood because we are drawing two apples here. Either good apple, what is the events happens is what we are talking about good apple and bad apple. That's the reason. The problem is related to good apple. One good apple is there. What is the probability that other one is good apple? Depending on the context, we have to choose the things. Okay. What is A1, my dear? Because maybe both are good, maybe both are bad. One of them is good and bad. Okay. You understood, my dears? Then directly we have to find out this probability of A1 given A. So now required probability. Required probability is probability of A1 given A. So by Bayes theorem, probability of A1 into probability of A given A1 divided by probability of A1 into probability of A given A1 plus probability of A2 into probability of A given A1 plus probability of A3 into probability of A given A3. Three events are the three mutual exclusive events. Probability of A1. Probability of A1 is what, my dear? Probability of getting both the apples are good ones. Yes, my dear, here the problem starts, my dears. Now better I do it here separately. Maybe in this place I can manage, my dear. Probability of A1 I'm writing here. Probability of A1 means probability of getting both the apples are good, my dear. Any my dear, can you answer this problem? You are drawing two apples at a time. What is the probability both are good apples? Anybody please? Two good apples. How many good apples are there? 6 are there. That two good apples can be any two of the 6. Therefore, numerator is 62 by total number of ways of selecting 2. 10 C2 medias. Be careful. Probability of A1 means, but don't forget the basic probability medias. Now, by doing base theorem, total probability theorem, some people we should be strong in basic ones. Probability of getting two good apples. Probability of A1 means what media? Probability of drawing two good apples from the basket of 10 apples. But what is n of s here? Out of 10 apples, how many ways you can draw two apples made 10 C2? But what is the numerator? Favorable cases. N of E by N of S. I'm using the formula media. N of E by N of S. N of A1 by N of S. N of A1 is 6 C2. 6 good apples are there, my dear. From the 6, any 2, 6 C2. N of S is total number of ways of drawing two apples out of 10 apples, 10 C2. But we need simplification, I'm doing that also. 6 into 5 by 2 factorial by 10 into 9 by 2 factorial. This is cancelled, my dear. 6 into 5 by 10 into 9. This is for 2 times 2 for 3 times 3, 3 times. That is what? 1 by 3. Probability of A1 by A. I need probability of okay. Median probability of A1 I wrote here. Probability of A2 median I am writing here. Probability of A2. N of A2 by N of yes. But place is not there. A2 means what, my dear? Both are root n ones. Probability of getting, because we are drawing two apples at a time, both are root n ones. So favorable cases is what? 4 root n, any two of 4C2 by 10C2.
4C2 by
That is 4 into 3 by 10 into 9. 3 goes for 3 times, 2 times and 5 times. Am I right? That is I'm getting my 2 by 15. Both visible or not? Yes, my 2 by 15 visible. Probability of A3. Probability of A3 means what? N of A3 by N of S. In our denominator is 10C2 only, no doubt in this one here. A3 means event of getting one good and other rotten apple. One is good and rotten. But one good means 6C1 into 4C1. Because one apple is good, other apple is rotten one. How many good apples are there? 6. Among the 6, any one can come, that is 6C1 base. And one bad apple or rotten apple. 4 rotten apples, that is what, my dear? 6 into 4, 10 into 9 into 2. My dears, 2 goes for 5 times, 3 2 times, and 3 here 2 times. It is giving what, my dear? 8 by 15. That is how much, my dear? 8 by 15. Yes, that is fine. Five. Yes. Now, but next what I want, probability of A given A1 also I want, my dear. So I'm finding this also. Probability of A given A1. Probability of A given A1, my dear. Probability of A given A1 means probability of getting one apple is good, given that both apples are, please be careful here. Probability of A given A1. A means what, my dear? A to the event of getting one good apple. What is A1 here? Getting both the apples good. Anybody, may please answer this here. Problem of A given A1. Anybody? Speak here. Nobody is there. Problem of A given A1. Problem of A. A means, that's the reason you should not forget what is A, what is A1, what is it. At least I wrote the number immediately. Let's see, media. A means the event of getting one good apple. Probability of A getting one good apple, given that both the apples are good ones.
2C1.
1. Mr. Suri Vettiya. That's the reason you not understand the probability of A given A1. Probability of A given A1. Probability of getting one good apple in the two apples, given that A1. Both the apples are drawn apples are good. See, are very simple logic. Problem of getting one good one, given that know that both the apples are good. Both the apples are good, yeah. When both the apples are good, I'm talking about problem of getting one is good. Always happens in media because both the apples are what are the media good. So that's the reason it's a sure event. Yeah, my dear. Yes, my dear. We know that both the apples drawn are good. That is what given A1. Then I'm talking about what is the problem of getting good apple. One good apple now. After knowing that both the apples are good, it's a sure event now.
Yes,
Already
sir.
we know given A1. Given A1 means both the apples are good. Already we know. After knowing that, I'm talking about problem of getting one good apple. That is a sure
Yes, sir.
event, no idea. Because we know where the but then somebody think sir it's a police question. Yes, I know yes media, but actually theoretically we're doing that is you have to write it even though it looks like sir already you know that both the apples are good, why you are asking what is the problem of getting one good apple? No, that I'm not asking, it is part of the problem media, according to the theorem. So you don't get always sure events media. Sometimes here and there you get the sure events, that time it looks little odd, but you have to write it to get the correct answer. Yes, my dear. Yes, my dear. Otherwise, somebody says, sir, why? What is the need of asking that question? Because that is part of the problem, and problem of A given A1. So I have to answer it. I have to write. Otherwise, I won't get the answer. Yes. Yes, my dear. Okay, that is one, my dear. Next probability of A given A2. Probability of A given A2. Probability
Zero.
of yeah, very good. Now you responded correctly. Probability of A given A2. Probability of getting one good apple, knowing that A2, A2 is what both are root and ones. Both are what are the media? Root and ones. What is that media? What happens and what is the probability? That is what we call 0. This one. Yes, whatever probability of A given A3. Yes, my dear.
1/2.
1/2. That is a sure event, my dear. A3 is what, my dear? A3 is one good apple, another one is rotten apple. We know that already what is happened, but A3 is happened. A3 is happened, but whatever the apples selected, one is good, other one is what rotten. That is fine. But among the two apples, one is good, other one is rotten. Now what is the problem of A? A is what problem of getting good apple in the graph. That is also sure event. That is also one only, my dear. Reason why A3 is already happened. What is A3? In the draw of two apples, one is good, other one is rotten. Now, after knowing that, we are looking for probability of A. A means one of the apples is good. Yes, is already one of the apples is good. Therefore, it's true. Substitute the values, my dear. All of you okay? Agree with third one, my dear? Should I anything you want to ask, my dear?
సార్ అంటే 2 apples ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి బై n of s 2 అవుతుంది కదా సార్ 1/2.
N of s
2
no నువ్వు దాన్ని మళ్ళీ సెపరేట్ చేసిస్తాం. Already we know, you know, among the two apples, one is good, other one is bad. You know, na? A3 is already happened. A3 is already happened. This is probability of
Yes,
A,
sir.
given that A3 is happened. Given, don't forget the notation, my dear. Probability of A given
Yes.
even. Probability of getting A, knowing that A3 is happened. What is A3? One good apple and one rotten one K.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now what is A? Problem getting one good apple. Yes, it's already there one good apple. It is sure event, my dear. 1/1. Not 1/2. What is 2 there? 1/1. Yes, my dear. Pawan, you want to say something? Think, my dears, all of you.
అంటే లాజిక్ కరెక్ట్
Logic.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు
logic
2
okay. Already మీకు ఏం తెలుసు మా రెండు యాపిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, రెండు యాపిల్స్ లో ఒకటి గుడ్ ఒకటి బ్యాడ్ అని తెలుసు ఆల్రెడీ. దెన్ వీఆర్
Yes,
టాకింగ్
sir.
అబౌట్ probability of getting one good apple in the draw. Already know one
Yes,
is
sir.
good, other one is bad. Probability of getting good apple in the draw. Yeah, sure event already happened, na, my dear. What is A? Probability of getting one good apple in the draw of two apples. It's a sure event, yeah, no doubt. Think again, my dear, come back again. Yes, now I'm going to get
Okay.
probability of given is what, my dear? 1/3. Probability of A given is 1. Yes, by probability of yes, same thing here. Probability of A1 1/3, probability of A1 1. Probability of A2 is how much? 2/15. Into probability of getting A given A2 is what? 0. Happy. Probability of A3. Probability of A3 is here. 8/15. Into probability of getting A given A3 1. So this is 1/3 by 1/3 plus 8/15. Yes, correct only now. 5 times, my dear. Answer is 5/30. Yes, my dears. Next problem is last problem, my dear. I'm taking 256, my dear. I have to share it now. That's all, madam. This is the last problem. After that, I'm going to the next one. Like these things, maybe you should get clarity, maybe all of you. This is 7-mark question for IPE. But think, my dears, for that you should know basic probabilities also thoroughly, my dears. That is the reason we discuss the basic probabilities, then multiplication theorem, then we come to the total probability and base theorem, my dears. Okay. Now sum number 256, my dears. That is the last problem I can say. We are going to discuss. Then I go to start random variables. Just you have to remember what is happened, my dear. Already A3 is happened. Once A3 is happened, we're talking about probability of A once A3 is happened. What is A? Probability of getting one apple, good apple among the two. But what is A3, my dear? We already got one good apple and one bad apple. Therefore, what, my dear? One only. Because one good apple already there. It's a sure event. Not at all less than one. Yes. Now write down, all of you wrote the problem, my dear. Write down the problem. I don't know, my dear. I do remember when this problem asked in CBSE, but both 12 they didn't never ask, my dear, in our senior intermediate. But CBSE, my dear, the problem asked many times. Like so many times. A man is known to speak the truth 3 out of 4 times. He throws a die and reports that it is a 6. What is the probability that it is actually 6, my dear? This problem, like, my dear, is a little argument based, my dears. Generally, it looks like, but listen carefully, my dears. First, think about your way, no doubt in that. Think yourself, my dear. Read the problem. A man is known to speak truth out of all of it. Write down the problem. 256. Last problem, I can say. Should I do one more problem here? Sum number 253 also I do here. Let us discuss that also. Now, my dear, sum number 257, exactly same model. You can write it as homework. A man is known to speak truth 3 out of 4 times. Even a man is known to speak truth 3 out of time. Truth 3 out of 4 times. A man is known to speak truth 3 out of 4 times, my dear son. My dear, that fellow, yes, but out of 4 times, my dear, he speaks truth, and remaining times, my dear, he's lying. Maybe he's not telling the truth. Okay, that is the meaning of that, my dear. A man is known. He throws a die and reports that it is a 6. He throws a die and reports it is a 6. Correct. It is a 6. What is the probability that it is actually 6? Question is what, my dear? What is the probability that it is actually 6? That is the question. But when you read this question, my dear, you never feel it is a base theorem. First thing, that is a problem with this problem. It looks like, my dear, yes, how it is Bayes theorem and all. A man is known to speak that, yes. Yes, actually, you never feel like it's a Bayes theorem problem. He throws a die and reports that it is a 6. What is the probability that it is actually 6, my dear? But A1, A2, my dear, we have to start this, my dear. Let A1 be the event of, and A2 be the event of, and but A, I'm sure, my dear. I wrote happily. A is the event of reporting 6 because how I came to know that, my dear. He throws a die and reports that it is a 6. That fellow threw a die, my dear. All of you wrote the problem, my dear. 257 exactly the same. But actually, why I'm closing this one, my dear, I can see actually what is visible in the board. Otherwise, I'm not getting an idea. Okay. Yes, my dear. First thing, my dear, A be the, I confirmed. A be the event of getting 6, my dear. Reason why I got it, he throws a die and reports that it is a 6. And he's asking, what is the probability that it is actually 6? Why the question is actually 6, my dear? My dear, one thing is what? He got 6, then he reports 6. And maybe he won't get 6. He might have reported because he's not always true, my dear. Sometimes he can say, he can lie also. Understood, my dear? That is the reason. What is the probability that it is actually 6? But if they coming to the next one, A1, A2, my dear, what is your opinion? Tell your opinion, not a problem, my dear. Anybody? What is your opinion? Mr. Pawan, Mr. Bharat Chandra, Mr. Shreya, Pujita, these names I can see.
He says correct, incorrect.
Yamini, Murdula,
He says correct for one time. He says correct, incorrect too.
Tell me, Bharat, what is A1?
A1 be the event of telling correct and A2 be the event of telling incorrect.
Yes, my dear. Okay, Bharat Chandra, very good, my dear. Anybody else, my dear? Mr. Karthik, Mr. Shivani, Mr. Yamini, Murdula, Tripura, and last one is me only. Karthik, Gade, whatever. Yes, my dear. Yes, my dear, Bharat Chandra, my dear, most of the children have the same opinion, my dear. They think like that only, my dear. Yes, definitely, my dear, he's telling the truth, he's telling this one. But actually, but a random experiment is not that, my dear. Random experiment, he throws a die. Random experiment is throwing a die, my dear. Understood, my dear? That A1, A2 are mutually exclusive events of a random experiment. My dear, this fellow is telling lie or truth is not random experiment here. He throw the die. The outcomes of the die is what, my dear? This. Here, what I'm going to say, my dear, Yes, my dear, then it is throwing it at definitely what you want to think, my dear. Getting 1, getting 2, getting 3, getting 4, getting 5, getting 6. 6 events are there, mutually exclusive, my dear. I can take all the 6, A1, A2, 3, 6, but I won't do all of them, my dear. I'll go with 2 events, A1 and A2. What is A1 is? Getting 6 on the die. A2 is not getting 6 on the die. Because we are concentration about, because he's reporting there 6. It is actually 6 means it's really happened, then he reported there. It really won't happen, still he is reporting 6. And my dear, see here random experiment is what, my dear? This poll is telling lie or not. Reason why, my dear, the die is rolled. Outcomes of the random experiments are we have to take as A1 and A2. But the actual outcomes of the random experiment is throwing it at 6 are there, my dear, mutually exclusive. But I won't consider all of them. I consider only 2. A1 is getting 6 on the die. A2 is what, my dear, not getting 6 on the die. Yes. Let A1 be the event of, yes, my dear, getting 6 on the die. Yes, my dear. A2 to the event of not getting 6 on the die. Not getting 6 on the die. And A be the event of reporting the 6. Okay. Yes, my dear, getting little confused, sir, but then what about that probability? That one. Okay. Now, my dears, come on, see that. Probability of A given A1 and what is probability of A1 given A? Please see this one, see the discussion. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of that? But it should be, yes, but think simply, my dear, there is no mass at all, it's common sense. What is the meaning of A given A1? Anybody here? Tell me, what is the meaning of A given A1? A means A be the event of reporting 6. A given A1. Reporting 6, given that A1 is happened. Given that A1, what is happened? Getting 6 on the die. Come on, see that. Probability of A given A1, that is probability of reporting 6. What is A, my dear? A with the event of reporting 6. Reporting 6, given that 6 came on the die. Understood, my dear? This is what, my dear, telling true. Reporting, yes. Now suppose, my dear, probability of A given A2. What is the meaning of A given A2? Probability of A given
Reporting
A2.
6 but not getting the 6.
Reporting 6, given that not
But
getting
not-
6. That means what, my dear? It is what, my dear? Telling
He's like-
lying. He's lying. This is what, my dear, first one is telling true. This is what, my dear, probability of telling true. Clean, understood, my dears? That is the difference. Probability of A given A1 is probability of event of, it's better if I talked about A1, A given A1. Reporting says, given that 6 is turned up on the die, that means we're telling the truth. What is A given A2, my dear? Reporting 6.
Reporting
knowing that
6 but not getting 6.
6 on the die, that is telling lie. Okay, now? But what is A1 given A? What is A2 given A? Yes, my dear. Probability of A1 given A is what, my
Getting
dear?
6 but getting 6
Now,
and
given
reporting
that
6.
reported, that is, this is the thing. Actually, it is 6. Event of getting 6. Given that he already reported 6.
6.
Given that it is getting, this is what, my dear? Event of getting 6. Given that it is not telling the truth, my dear. We call it as actually 6, my dear. He already reported event of reporting 6. Given that, my dear, event of getting 6 on the die, given that
And
he
reporting
reported
6.
already 6. This is what, my dear, A2 given A. Yes, reporting
Not
not
getting
getting 6. Given
But
that,
reporting
yes, he report. What is that, my dear? He reported that 6. Clear, but don't get confused, my dear. So finally, we have to find out probability of A1 given A. This is actually 6 means that is. Yes, my dear. Yes, but when you see the problem, my dear, you won't think it is based there, my dear. Actually, here one thing is what, my dear? A1, A2 is what, my dear? Associated with random experiment mutual exchange. What is random experiment? Throwing the die. then this man is reporting. That is different story. That is not randomized profit. Yes, my dear, that is reporting 6 is associated with what outcome of the die. Okay. Okay, my dears. Now write down required probability I'm going for. Required probability is equal to probability of what is it, my dear? A1 given A. Probability of actually 6, my dear. Probability that it is actually 6. I'm writing that also. Probability that it is actually 6 is probability of A1 given A. So that is what the remaining things. If you understand the remaining things, you are okay with that. Probability of A given A1 by probability of A1 into probability of A given A1 plus probability of A2 into probability of A given A2. Probability of A1. What is A1 here? Probability of getting 6 on the die. All of you know them, no need to write separately. 1 by 6. Probability of A given A1. Probability of reporting 6 given that it is already happened. That is probability of telling the truth. I am writing here better. Probability of A given A1 is yes, telling the truth. Yes, yes, no need. Yes, telling the truth. How much? 3 out of 4 times. 3 by 4. 5. Same thing, probability of A1 is 1 by 6, probability of 3 by 4, plus probability of A2. Probability of A2 is not getting 6 on the die. All of you know 5 by 6. Getting 6 is how much? 1 by 6. Not getting 6, 1 minus 1 by 6, complementary weight, 5 by 6. Probability of A given A2. Probability of reporting 6 given that 6 does not happen. That means telling lie. Telling lie is how much, my dear? 1 by 4. Because 3 by 4 is telling truth. 1 minus 3 by 4 is 1 by 4. Simplify, my dear, to get the answer. That's all, my dear, base theorem. One more problem here. Yes. 6, 4, 6, 4, cancel, my dear. 3 by 3 plus 5, 3 by 8. But otherwise, my dear, spend some time on this, my dear, thing. And you have any problems, my dear, you can discuss in the next class. Otherwise, you can call me separately. If you don't want to ask in the class, my dear, you can discuss, call me separately in the evening, not in the morning. Okay, that's fine. We have 4 minutes left, so that's the reason I'm going back to that problem. Tomorrow I'm going to start what you call, my dear, random variable. Which one I want to do here? Yes, my dear. Sum number 253. A card from a pack of 50 cards is lost. From the remaining cards, 2 cards are drawn and are found to be spades. Find the probability that missing card is also a spade. Yes, my dear. This is also better. So it recalls about pack of cards and Bayes theorem also, my dear. If this problem also, my dear, don't look like Bayes theorem, my dear. That is the danger with this problem and this problem. Please especially pay attention, my dear. Especially MSET and JEE means important. Okay. Even in boards also, my dear. They may ask, of course, till now I didn't see last 5 years, it is not there in a board examination. I checked last 5 years, my dear. Maybe before that, I don't know. Okay. They may can ask this in a Bayes theorem also. Okay. But think, my dear, think yourself and any doubt, my dear, you can ask. You have to. Yes, that was some number 252. A card from a pack of 50 cards is lost. A card from a pack of 52 cards is lost. From the remaining cards, 2 cards are drawn and are found to be spades. 252. A card from pack of cards. Card from pack of cards is lost. Only one card, maybe. But it actually when one card is lost, my dear, that is a random experiment. But if somebody, please mute yourself. If somebody, when you're doing this one, my dear, that disturbance will come getting you. Maybe somebody is maybe dragging something and eating, but I think the food bowl, maybe, I don't know, snacks for 3 o'clock, maybe mother has prepared some food bowl with snacks, maybe, what do you call, my dear? Samosa, gulab jamun, and some other things. He is dragging that bowl towards him so that he can eat. Somebody, please mute yourself, my dear. You're feeling bad because you're not getting any samosa from you. You are alone eating. But anyhow, my dear, mute yourself. Your sound system is so good, my dear. Even if you eat, that sound also, chewing sound also will come here. Okay? Take care, my dears. Yes, my dear, a card from a pack of 52 cards is lost. A card from a pack of 52 cards is lost. That is a random experiment. Which card? They didn't say anything. A card from a 52 cards is lost. But which card, my dear? How many cards? 52. It can be any one of the 52 cards. If in this context, if I want to say, I'll take 50A1, A2, A3, etc. A52, I can say, but 52 mutual exclusive and big ways, 52 cards are there. I say A1 is what, my dear? Diamond ace. A2 is diamond 2. A3 is diamond 3, etc. etc. A13 is diamond king. After diamond, my dear, what I'll go? I'll go for spades. Spade ace. Similarly, 52. A1, A2, etc. I can make mutually. But actually, depending on the context, my dear, maybe I won't take like this. Maybe I can make 1 or 2, depending on the nature of the problem. Yes, my dear, if you see first sentence, a card from a pack of 52 cards is lost, my dear. Yes, one card is lost. It can be anyone. That is a random experiment. One card is missing randomly. That card can be anyone. Yes, my dear, there are 52 cards. Diamond. Or king. Next, my dear, spade. Yes, understood, my dear, 52. I cannot write all of them. Yes, my dear. Then, from the remaining cards, 2 cards are drawn and found to be spades. From the remaining cards, my dears, how many cards are there? 51 cards are there. 2 cards are drawn. How many, my dear? 2 cards are drawn and found to be spades. Found to be, what are they, my dear? Spades. From the remaining cards, my dears, 2 cards are drawn and are found to be spades. Find the probability that the missing card is also a spade card. Yes, my dear. You understood, my dear. 2 cards are drawn are found to be spades. There A is clear. What is the event? A is happened, understood, but A is associated with that experiment. 2 cards are drawn are found to be spades. What is the event, my dear? 2 drawn cards are spades. That I'm happy I'm ready, my dear. Let A be the, that is our event. That A be the event of, yes, my dear, getting 2 spades cards, getting 2 spade cards in the draw of 2 cards. In the draw of 2 cards. This is A, my dear. Why? How I came to know that 2 cards are drawn? That is okay. I shared the this one, my dear. I shared or not? I didn't share it.
No, sir.
But how you should ask me, yeah, my dear. Sum number 253. Write the problem, my dears. So I didn't check, my dear. I thought it is shared already. My dear, all of you note down, my dear. 253. Card from a pack of 50 cards is lost. From the remaining cards, 2 cards are drawn or found to be the spades. Find the probability that a missing card is also a spade. My dear, understood? All of you wrote the problem? Write the problem, my dears. Write it. Time up, I know that. You have class immediately, my dear? Hello?
Yes,
You have class immediately?
3:15.
Okay, better we'll discuss, my dear, tomorrow. It takes 5-10 minutes, my dear. We'll discuss, my dear. Meanwhile, try, my dears, all of you. We'll discuss tomorrow because you have class also, my dear. Otherwise it goes 5-6 minutes. Otherwise, okay, I'll make it tomorrow. Bye. Write the problem, my dear. 253 write down and please you can leave. We'll discuss tomorrow. After this problem, I will start random variables. Randomness is much easier, my dear. These are the things that pay attention. Study them, my dear. Think. You have any doubts, you can call me separately, or else you can ask in the class itself. Okay, bye. A card from a pack of 52 cards is lost and the problem. From the remaining cards, 2 cards are drawn and are found to be spades. Find the probability that missing card is also a spade. Somebody, instead of writing the problem idea, he is playing with the system. He's putting arrow marks. This one, I think, Yamini, I think. Am I right? Marachandra, you, Pujita, maybe Mrudula, Shivani. So I can see these names here. Anybody else? Pawan Kumar. Pawan is also there. Pawan, you are playing, my dear? Ah, yes, Pawan. Mrudula. Mrudula Tripura. She is playing. Your thing is what matter, will get the name also, matter. If I see when that time some person is writing matter, you get the name also. Mrudula, don't think you will get the name. Otherwise, Bharchandra will try so many times. Bharchandra, he knows that, that's his name, not trying. Okay, my dear, bye for today. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. See you.